Hi everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to RSH, aka Rideshare Hub. I know you guys love that name, RSH, so we're sticking with it for now. Let me know your thoughts on that. Before I get into the video, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe. So today's video, guys, sorry for a little cheesy intro. Look at my hair, by the way. Sorry, just took a shower and my hair is, I hate when it's like, okay, so I don't know if you guys have heard, but Uber drivers are going on strike again, and Lyft drivers, especially in San Francisco. The debate, really quick backstory, in California Assembly basically wrote a bill for drivers to become employees. Uber and Lyft do not want that to happen. However, a lot of drivers do. A lot of drivers saying, yes, we want that. Look at this right here, guys. This is in San Francisco. San Francisco is the #1 market for drivers. Look at these guys. Dara, I can't pay my rent. How was your $17 million mansion? Yeah, that's, I mean, I don't know. We deserve a living wage. Shame on you, Uber. That guy does not look happy to me at all. Yeah, none of these guys look too happy. So many people showed up to a San Francisco Board of Supervisors Committee hearing on Friday that the city had to open an overflow room. The topic at hand, Uber and Lyft drivers' rights. So yeah, this was just a Board of Supervisors Committee hearing on Friday. The cities of Public Safety and Neighborhood Services convened to discuss a resolution that would support a proposed California state bill that could require Uber and Lyft to make their drivers employees. More than 24 drivers took to the podium with similar stories. They said they've seen lower pay, higher costs, and longer working hours as the cost of living has risen over the years. When they get sick, they can't afford to take time off. That's not good, especially with passengers in the car. They're relying on a business model that dismantles more than half a century of worker protections. Honestly, that is crazy. That's from San Francisco Supervisor Rafael Mandelman. Who is Rafael Mandelman? He is in support of drivers. Go tweet this guy. Give this guy a big tweet. He's killing it. He's sticking up for drivers. I appreciate him. The issue gig worker classification is nothing new. Lawsuits have been brought against Uber and Lyft as 2013. Since then, several cities and states have examined the matter. Honestly, guys, I mean, I don't know what you guys think. I personally don't want to be an employee. I mean, the reason I signed up for Uber and Lyft in the first place was just to make some extra side cash. But a lot of you guys do drive full time, so let me know. Maybe, do you want to be employees? I mean, honestly, I don't. That's just me though. I like to work and then drive Uber and Lyft on the side. A lot of you guys have been complaining about my hair recently. Yeah, I won't get into it. Okay, so Uber and Lyft appear to be opposed to AB5. So if you get, let's see what AB5 is. This is the bill, I believe, that AB5 toxins are 6 component, oh, never mind, that is biology. That's a toxin. Ooh, it's toxin. Maybe that's a sign that it's toxic. The AB5 bill, maybe it's toxic. Well, my internet is not loading, so can't look at that one right now, but really quickly, driver protections. In a rare showing of cooperation, Uber and Lyft have banded together over the issue. Both companies have come together earlier this month saying they wanted to work with the state to allow drivers to remain independent contractors. In return, the companies said they'd offer a commitment to driver pay and let them form a new driver association. Wow, this is breaking news. Commitment to driver pay. That pretty much means an increase in pay. It's also no secret that a change to the employment classification of rideshare drivers would pose a risk to our businesses. So basically they're saying that if they make their drivers employees, you know, if we have to become employees, it's a big risk to their businesses. They sent messages to California drivers. I got that one. More than 30,000 emails on the topic have been sent to legislators. Wow. The only benefit I get with Uber and Lyft is diabetes, high blood pressure, and cholesterol. Oh my gosh. It is crazy, guys. There is so much going on. Look at how long these articles are. I mean, I could go on for days about this, but basically, I mean, I want to hear what you guys think. Do you want an increase in pay and still remain a contractor, or do you want to be a employee and get a set pay, set schedule, and, you know, have a boss again or a manager? All right, guys, thank you for watching. Smash the thumbs up button. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. This is good news for Uber and Lyft drivers. All right, bye, guys.